Cherry is one of those areas that was just a barren land until just a decade ago. Today it has developed so much. It is so close to the Chennai airport, it is so close to the IT corridor. Now this neighborhood boasts of many shopping complexes, residential apartments as well as official complexes. Shopping hubs? Now you know why I'm here. This is Super Shopper taking you to Velachery. Two things that fascinate women are an enticing aroma and bright lights. Colorful flowers and scented candles can always prettify the home and pep up your mood. Now this shop is one interesting place. Among all the high-rise buildings that surround you over here, this is one colorful kutti shop which says flowers for all occasions. Now I have with me a friend joining me today whose name is Shweta, and she is a fellow shopaholic. More the merrier. So before she joins me today, I have to make it up for her because I missed her wedding reception. For all occasions, that seems right. Let me check out whether I could buy her something and make it up. Oh my God. This place is so colorful. You have nothing but colorful flowers all around. I think that's a good idea to gift her some flowers because she is anyway going to be busy making up the home, setting up her home along with her guy. And this is going to be something. Why not I gift her some flowers to decorate her home as well as some candles. That would add to the mood as well. भैया आप कुछ हेल्प कर सकते हैं क्योंकि मैं अपने फ्रेंड के लिए एक फूल खरीदना चाहती हूँ। ये प्लास्टिक फ्लावर्स वगैरह क्या क्या है यहाँ पे, क्या खरीद सकते हैं हम, कितने सालों से है, किन किन का क्या क्या स्पेशलिटी है वो आप बता सकते हैं। आपका नाम क्या है?
मेरा नाम पंकज है।
तो कुछ फूल दिखाइए ना।
फूल मेरे पास अभी कार्नेशन है क्योंकि अभी से।
ये कार्नेशन फूल है? ये रियल फ्लावर है यार?
रियल।
ओके। ये क्या स्पेशलिटी है इसको?
इसमें कार्नेशन क्योंकि ये बहुत दिन चलता है क्योंकि।
और ये क्या है?
ये आर्टिफिशियल है मैंने।
ये क्या मटेरियल से बनाते हैं?
ये लकड़ी का मटेरियल बना हुआ है।
वुडन और पेपर वाला भी है?
पेपर वाला नहीं,
क्लॉथ है, वुडन है।
वुडन है और बस लकड़ी का हर सामान मिल सकता है इधर।
आप कितने सालों से?
मैं 3 सालों से।
3 सालों से। और कहाँ से मंगवाते हैं?
हम लोग बॉम्बे से मंगवाते हैं।
और ये कितना है?
ये कितना 250 का आएगा।
250। बहुत कॉस्टली है ना?
यस मैम।
क्या आप डिस्काउंट नहीं देते हैं?
डिस्काउंट है मैडम, अभी तो जस्ट लगाए डिस्काउंट।
आप तो सेल वहाँ लगाए हैं, सेल अप टू 50% और।
यस मैम, 50% का आपको ये मिल सकता है। ठीक है, इसमें सेल लगा हुआ है।
ये भी लकड़ी का है?
हाँ, ये भी लकड़ी है।
I wouldn't go for this because mainly this is orange in color and I don't know the color of Shweta's home. So I think I will settle for something that's neutral. Silver is neutral and it will go well with any of those colors that her home is. More than the flowers in different shapes, colors and materials, I fell in love with the stylish vases, cute baskets and charming little jars for fresh green plants. And the shelves were also home to many scented candles. If one smelt of cinnamon, another smelt of lemongrass. It was simply divine. If you're not sure whether scented candles use fragrance oils or essential oils, take a quick look at the name of the scent. Names such as hot fudge sundae or cinnamon pie are likely to be fragrance oils. Essential oils bear the name of the plant, such as eucalyptus, ginger, etc. How I wish these flowers were also fallen under the sale up to 50% category. Unfortunately, I couldn't get that deal. But then this was, I think, the best pick. I'm sure Shweta will like this. Now, when you're shopping for others, you always end up shopping for yourself too. My eyes just spotted something called angels. Now, I think this angel should be there. What is she doing here? talking to you about. Now, if you want to look like an angel, you need to have those accessories, fancy earrings, fancy jewelry, handbags, whatnot. Now, this shop started off as a little angel 30 years ago and today has expanded itself into a 4-story building with so many items that women go crazy about. Well, I go crazy about.
I stay in Manipakkam and this is the way I go to my office. So I just thought I would drop in here today to check for some jewelry sets. I basically came in to looking for Kundan jewelry sets, and when I came here, the varieties which I saw, it was really amazing. And especially in this area, I would say, they were just pushing the doors to show me so much of varieties here, and the bindi set in fact. So I just came in for the Kundan jewelry set, but when I started looking for each and every set, I started choosing many items in fact. And the budget is very high. My husband had to pay for it, no other choice for him in fact.
While one floor was dedicated to handbags made of leather, jute, jean and more, other floors were dedicated to fancy stuffed toys, interesting artifacts, colorful trinkets and branded cosmetics. But the floor that floored me was the one that had all kinds of fancy jewelry and bindis. My, the collection was simply terrific. Cute, isn't it? Now the biggest task for any shopaholic is to pick and choose from an array of items over here. It's 4-storied building and so many different items on each floor, you really don't know what to pick and choose. You just get so confused because this is like a maze. So I'm going to seek the help of Mr. Abhishek, who runs this store, and he is going to guide me on which is the most popular item, the ones in vogue. So you can tell me what all they are and I will pick all of them.
Interesting. Hi. Coming to the first floor of my store. This is a store for feminine, only for women, exclusive for women, and it has been taken care by all customer care handled by women, which is like a personal touch for all of our customers.
Okay. Why not we just have a look at what all the items are there? And you could tell me, how did the whole idea, the concept of starting Angels come about?
Angels was started in 1996 by my father. It was around a 500 square feet store. 2004 we renovated and we started our expansion. Now it's in Ananagar, Anglo and in Velachery, which is the present location where you're seeing my store. This is, you can tell, the USP of my store. We have around say 3,000 to 3,500 earrings to choose exclusively, all ranges, bridal wear, contemporary, college wear.
So does your wife also come over here and pick? I must tell you that Abhishek recently got married and she's also carrying. So does she also come here and pick? Do you also gift her something whenever you fight with her?
Obviously she is the person who sees all the products before it comes here.
What is the price range like? For example, this one, how much is this?
This is around say 365. This is around 365.
Okay. So what is the starting range and what is the
earrings you're asking? Earrings we start from say 40-50 rupees up to 2,000 rupees we have. 2,000 is the heavy ones which can be used for bridal and all those things with lots of American diamonds and xenon stones. So those are the stuff which will be used for bridal. And we have starting range, I told, no, studs and all those small studs for casual wear, regular wear, daily wear, all those things.
Thank you so much, Abhishek. I think I'm going to settle in for those that are, which is that 45 rupee one you said? We can easily distinguish gold from imitation by using a carat machine. Generally, imitation is lightweight and loses its color during the test. That makes makes me feel complete. Don't I look like an angel? That is the Shweta. I was supposed to shop with her. I think the only way to make me wait patiently for her is to give me some food. You go take a break. I'll go hunt for the right place to take a break.